Hey, hi, welcome to our page. This is Go Gate Engineering Institute once again, and we're going to take you through the comprehensive structural design of a 4-story structure. Structural analysis and design of a 4-story reinforced concrete structure using a typical life project. Now, we are going to take you all through from the fundamental rudimentary of how to develop the structural layout, okay? Structural floor layout from the architectural drawings. So this is a 4-story structure that has the ground floor, the first floor, second floor, third, and the roof level. We will teach you how to develop the structural layout through the intricacies associated with developing the structural layout. What are the constraints? What are the challenges? What are the purposes of the various floors or the rooms specified on the architectural layout? How do you assemble the loads? We are going to break down the load calculation through the figurative, explicit requirement of the code. The training is going to take you through the BS 8110 Part 1, 1997, BS 6399 Part 1 for the calculation and derivation of imposed loads on buildings based on the categorization of the building. Okay, the code specifies the various categories. We will teach you how to navigate through the code of practice and extract the very relevant information necessary for the analysis and design of reinforced concrete structures. The wind load, which is the environmental load on the structure, shall be derived in line with the requirement of BS 6399 Part 2. So we'll be teaching you the analysis and design of a 4-story structure using STAAD.Pro. The software we're going to be using for this training is STAAD.Pro. We'll teach you how to develop the structural layout, how to calculate the loads, how to model the entire building in STAAD.Pro, and then the constraints, the challenges associated with the modeling, how to define your boundary conditions, how to idealize your loads, how to perform your analysis, specify the pre-runtime design parameters, and then the reasons why you are specifying a specific boundary condition. We'll explain why the boundary conditions is to be specified as such. If you're having a fixed support, a pinned support, we will explain to you why it's a fixed support, why it is a pinned support, and so on. At the completion of this training, we guarantee that you're going to be a comprehensive structural engineer and you will have in-depth understanding on the requirements for the design of a medium-rise to low-rise reinforced concrete structure. Thank you for watching. Follow us, subscribe to this page, and we will continue to provide you with comprehensive structural analysis of different types of projects for the benefit of our engineers.